Okay, this is an update from an earlier video I did on this. It seems that the sentiments pertaining to these hashtags, they changed after a new research was being published. So, if you go to this article, it says that now researchers from these universities, is a co-authored paper led by Dr. Christian Anderson. They found that the COVID-19 has a natural origin, and because of that, the sentiments pertaining to these hashtags became more positive when I tried to analyze the Twitter feeds after February 14. And you can also click on this link and it will lead you to this article if you want to. And we can just maximize this. Yeah, you click on that link and it will take you to this commentary. And hopefully, because of this new finding, it seems that things are looking a bit more positive now. If you see from these days, the sentiments, the mean sentiment scores for each day from the end of January to February or the middle of March, they were somewhat negative. But after that article was published, the sentiments became more positive, as you can see from here. I know this thing is blocking the table. So the sentiments originally were somewhat negative for this hashtag in French until around the middle of March, and after that article was being published, sentiments pertaining to this hashtag became somewhat more positive, and it peaked on March 19, which I would say is a good sign. I think we need more research like this, and it is also the same thing for this hashtag in English. And as I mentioned earlier, these two hashtags, they mean the same thing. This was in French and this is in English, because it's a no-brainer. Some people prefer to tweet using the French hashtags, while others prefer to use both or just the English hashtag. And for the English hashtag, the mean sentiments were somewhat negative, maybe until around February 25th or so. Then we have no tweets in between, and then it was somewhat negative again up until the end of March. I would say that there are some improvement resulting from that finding. I think it's a good sign, and researchers should continue to do research to find out more about the origins of this COVID-19. And these may change the nature of stigmatization or race-related stigmatization pertaining to coronavirus. Let's hope for the better. Have a good day.